Hey, what's up, guys? Mikey Gita is back with another episode of lesson for today. Okay, guys, so for this video, I'm going to show you some improvisation, okay? Some ways you can play your scales instead and your chord progressions instead, okay? Some chords you can improvise, okay, to make it sound better, okay? And also how to play your major scale to make it sound better as well, okay? I know many of you find it difficult when you hear some professional players play some, some scales and some licks in between their soloing, and it sounds awesome as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you some tips on how to get those scales, majorly, and we have different types of scales. Okay, we have the most vital scale that a lot of guitarists use when they are playing is pentatonic scale, the minor and the major pentatonic. Okay, and mix of the bebop pentatonic and also the major scale itself. Okay, which is the do re mi fa sol la ti do. Okay, so some things you're gonna play. Okay, instead the normal major scale. Okay, and to make it sound better. Okay, so guys, stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Don't miss any part, so that I don't miss that whatever I'm going to show you. Okay, so if you know that it's the first time you're watching me, I would like you to hit on the subscribe button. Okay, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this. Okay, so it's going to help you. All right, guys. So I want to do the lesson in the key of F. Okay, let me come close so that you can see my fingers very well. Okay, this is the key of F. On the second string, you have it on the fourth string. Okay, your do re mi. Okay. Okay. We have it here also. Okay, so that is your major scale. Like you can hear how I'm playing it. It sounds better. Okay, it sounds cool. So you yourself, you can play it that way. You can play it even more better that way. Okay. Okay, so now this is what I play normally on when I want to improvise on my major scale. Okay, to make it sound better. Most time I play something like okay. Okay. Okay, so what I'm playing there is starting from the Ti do re, okay, Ti do re mi fa sol. Then when I play Ti do re mi fa sol, then I play again sol fa mi re do ti la sol fa mi re do. Okay, so this is another way you can improvise your major scale to sound better when you are using it in your solo. Most time you can use it solo when you are playing like a kind of a mi chord. Okay, stuff like that. You can use it when you are going to your third chord, which is a mi chord. Okay, so now playing your scale that way might make you sound good in your soloing also, and make you a kind of professional give you a kind of professional playing skills. Okay, like you can hear me playing it. Now what I'm playing is to make it sound better like this. I'm doing some hammer on, okay, and some pull on while I'm playing it. So that is one thing you need to learn also. Okay, I play from va mi. I pull on from the va to the mi. Okay. Okay. I play only the re, then pick the velocity from the re to do and the ti again. Re do ti. Okay. La sol fa mi re. Okay. okay? Fa, mi, re, do, okay? Okay, now this is another interval. This is a do, re, mi, fa, sol, do, mi, do, mi, la, sol, fa, mi. Okay, so I play the same thing here on this other interval. Si, do, re, mi, fa, sol, do, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la. Okay, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Okay. Re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. So if you play stuff like that, someone will say, ah, wow, this is cool, okay? Someone will just say, wow, this is cool, okay? That sounds cool. So for the second part, okay, like if you want to play like your kind of a pentatonic shape, like this is your pentatonic, okay, on this shape now. Okay. Many of you know the pentatonic, the do, re, mi, fa, do, re, mi, sol, la, do, la, sol. Okay. So you can play something like this instead of playing this way, okay? You can play something like from the mi, re, okay, something like that. Something like that. It will sound better as well, okay? Or you can start from your la, sol, mi, re, do, la, okay? Okay? Mi, stuff like that is going to sound better instead of playing this other way. So instead of that, you can improvise it from the la. You know, this is your do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. You have the la. La, sol, mi, re, do, la. Okay, la, sol, mi, re, do, la. You know, stuff like that sounds better when you improvise your pentatonic shape that way, okay? So guys, I believe this video is going to help you in one way or the other, okay? So if it has helped you, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button, okay? Like and share, okay? If you have any challenge, you can comment on the comment section. I will reply, okay? So in the next video, I'm going to show you some chord you can play instead, okay? On the normal major chord. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.